This is from my front door about noon on September 28th as Hurricane Ian's winds begin to increase. The street will be flooded before the storm ends. It's now about 1:15 p.m. The rains have started and the winds are increasing. Debris is flying all the way around. It's probably one reason we're encouraged to bring loose objects inside. It's after 3 p.m. The power went out about 1:45 and actually stayed out for the next 10 days. Flying shingles and debris make it hazardous to be outside. The rain and wind is intensified and the rain has overwhelmed the drainage ditches. Meanwhile, in the backyard, an earlier view shows heavy rains and shows strong winds, but everything looks kind of okay. Still looking in the backyard, now it's a little after 3:30 p.m. and the storm is really taking a toll. The fence is down and the strut is broken from the pool cage. The water is dirty because the shingle gravel has covered the bottom of the pool. The second strut broke off later and the fence section went through the screen. Well, we survived the storm and now it's the next morning. Tree branches, shingles, and debris are everywhere. The flags are long gone, and the street is flooded. That loud noise you hear is a generator. It was our constant companion for the next 10 days. Surveying my new waterfront property by walking to the water's edge, I noticed that the mailbox is gone with the flood. I did find it 4 houses down, up on a neighbor's yard about 4 days later. Lots of tree branches and debris in the ditch, along with Lord knows what else. The wishing well I made for Jen stayed put because it's anchored about 18 inches deep to a chain. Lots of shingles on the roof, but I think I've just found many of them. Things don't look good on this side either. This is the side of the house that had leaks into the dwelling. Lost shingles and underlayment, allowing rain to penetrate. I don't think there's any question that the fence is shot, giving a clear view of the greenway that is normally dry. Right now it's about 10 feet deep. We aren't in a flood zone, but looks like we come real close. Here's another view of the backyard. At least the dog didn't take advantage of the busted gate or try to go swimming in the greenway. This side of the house doesn't show much damage except smashed fence gate, but does show debris and our new river that downed a live oak that was estimated to be over 100 years old. Cleanup is a pain. Shingles in one pile, trees and lawn debris in another, and everything else also in yet another pile. Not in the street, not in the swale, but just so. Well, the exterior is getting cleaned up. The street is open, and we're now waiting for a contractor to get some shingles and a fence company to repair the damage. Glad it's all coming to an end.